What's up, future millionaires? If you're looking to level up your financial game in 2025, you're in the right place. We're talking passive income, that magical money machine that works for you even while you sleep. Forget the 9-to-5 grind. It's time to build a life of freedom and flexibility, and I'm going to show you exactly how. In this video, I'm breaking down the top passive income ideas that are absolutely crushing it in 2025. We're not just talking about side hustles here. These are proven strategies to generate serious cash flow and unlock your financial independence. Get ready for actionable advice, insider tips, and a clear roadmap to get you started on your journey to passive income success. Whether you're just starting or looking to diversify your income streams, this video is packed with details, information, ideas, and steps to help you build a brighter financial future. So grab your notepad, buckle up, and let's dive right in. First up, we're talking about a classic passive income powerhouse, dividend stocks. Think of it like owning a piece of a company that pays you rent just for being on the lease. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you're essentially buying a slice of their profits distributed to you regularly, often quarterly. It's like clockwork income, hitting your account without lifting a finger. Now, the key here is to be strategic. Don't just chase the highest yield. Look for established companies with a solid track record of dividend growth. Think blue-chip companies, real estate investment trusts, REITs, and dividend aristocrats. Those are the rock stars that have consistently increased their dividends for years, even decades. Getting started is easier than you think. You can open an account with an online brokerage like Robinhood or M1 Finance, both beginner-friendly platforms. Then do your research, build a diversified portfolio of dividend-paying champs, and watch your money work harder than you do. And hey, remember, investing always comes with risks, so do your due diligence, start small, and consider consulting with a financial advisor if you need personalized guidance. Next, let's tap into the booming world of online education and unleash your inner guru. Creating and selling online courses is an incredible way to generate passive income by sharing your knowledge and expertise with the world. The best part, you create the course once and it can generate income for years to come. Think about your passions, skills, and experiences. What are you great at? What do people always ask for your help with? It could be anything from photography and graphic design to coding, marketing, or even dog training. If you have valuable knowledge to share, there's an audience eager to learn from you. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Udemy make it easier than ever to create, host, and sell your courses. You can create engaging video lessons, downloadable workbooks, quizzes, and even build a thriving community around your content. The key to success here is to create high-quality content that provides real value to your students. Market your course effectively, get the word out on social media, and watch as your expertise transforms into a steady stream of passive income. Chapter 3. Real estate without the headaches, crowdfunding your way to freedom. Now, let's talk real estate, the OG wealth-building machine. But hold on, I know what you're thinking. Orhan, I don't have a ton of cash or the desire to become a landlord. Don't worry, that's where the magic of real estate crowdfunding comes in. Think of it like this. Instead of buying an entire property yourself, you're pooling your money with other investors to invest in large-scale real estate projects like apartment complexes, commercial buildings, even renewable energy projects. It's a way to diversify your portfolio with real estate without the hassle of traditional property ownership. Platforms like Fundrise and CrowdStreet offer a wide range of investment options, from low-risk, low-return opportunities to more aggressive, potentially high-yield projects. You can start small, with investments as low as a few $100s, and grow your real estate portfolio gradually. Just like any investment, it's crucial to do your research, understand the risks involved, and choose platforms and projects that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. But with the potential for passive income and long-term appreciation, real estate crowdfunding is a powerful tool to add to your arsenal. Chapter 4. Affiliate marketing. Get paid to recommend awesome stuff. Ever told a friend about a product you love and they went out and bought it? Well, imagine getting paid for that recommendation. That's the power of affiliate marketing. It's all about partnering with businesses and promoting their products or services on your platform, whether it's a website, blog, social media channel, or even email list. Here's how it works. You sign up for an affiliate program, get a unique affiliate link for the products you want to promote, and start sharing it with your audience. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's like getting a finder's fee for connecting buyers with awesome products. The key to affiliate marketing success is to be authentic and genuine in your recommendations. Choose products and services that you genuinely believe in and that align with your audience's interests. Provide valuable content, build trust with your audience, and watch as those commissions start rolling in. Chapter 5. Ebooks. Write once, profit forever. Finally, let's talk about the incredible world of ebooks. If you've got a knack for writing and valuable knowledge to share, creating and selling ebooks can be a fantastic way to generate passive income while establishing yourself as an authority in your niche. Think about your passions, expertise, or even a problem you've solved that others struggle with. Can you package that knowledge into a comprehensive, easy-to-read ebook? It could be anything from a how-to guide on a specific skill to a fictional novel, a collection of recipes, or even a personal development guide. Platforms like Amazon, Kindle, Direct Publishing, KDP, make it incredibly simple to self-publish your ebook and reach a global audience. You retain complete control over your pricing, cover design, and marketing efforts. The key to ebook success is to write a high-quality book that provides real value to your readers. Invest in professional editing and cover design, market your book effectively, and consider running promotions to attract new readers. Ultra unlock your passive income potential. There you have it. Future Millionaires' 5 powerful passive income ideas to supercharge your finances in 2025 and beyond. Remember, building passive income streams takes time, effort, and consistency, but the rewards are well worth it. The beauty of these ideas is that you can start small, experiment with different approaches, and gradually scale up as your income grows. The key is to take action. Choose 1 or 2 ideas that resonate with you, do your research, and start building your passive income empire today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content on personal finance, investing, and building a life you love. Until next time, keep crushing it.